Hello, y'all. Welcome to C's Potentials. I'm C. I had this old fossil genuine leather purse, and I had it stored away with a faux leather purse, which started to deteriorate and peel all over this. I thought it was ruined, and to my amazement, I got some Vaseline out and thought, I wonder if it removes it. To my amazement, it did, and it was restored to a nice look too. You guys check it out. While I'm sharing this with you all, I'm gonna also share some of my thoughts from my other video. I just want to say, don't lose hope in humanity. There's a lot of people that are not comfortable in the skin they're in. There's a sect of people also that are allowing a crowd of people to tell them who they are, or making them, maybe subliminally, I don't even know, to make them believe that they came to their own conclusions on their own, not realizing that they were influenced by a way of thinking to be a certain way or to do a certain thing. I don't know. Only that person can answer how they arrived at where they're at. Every day, I find that I have to encourage myself, and this thought may encourage someone else. Is that this: no one can squelch your memories. No one can squelch the greatness and the power within you. We can allow our brains to be halted by filling it with just unfruitful things, things that don't help catapult you forward, or things that keep you stagnant into not propelling forward in life. This young lady, Marseille Martin, she is historically the youngest executive producer in Hollywood at the age of 14. Big ups to her. I know we will all not be surprised of the greater things that will come from her. Going back to what I initially said, is that they cannot squelch your memories. They cannot erase what you know to be true of the knowledge that you have from the greatness that you come from. And I'm going to leave you off in the words of Adolf Caesar, because a mind is a terrible thing to waste. His voice became known as the United Negro College Fund's publicity campaign. Adolf Caesar is known for so many other facets of life. Nonetheless, when that phrase is stated, everyone thinks of Adolf Caesar. So don't let anyone or group of people change who you really are, and allow yourself to be brave enough in a crowd of folks that are going one way for you to go the way in which you know to be right. If this video has helped at least one person, then I'm glad that I made the video. I want to also thank the subscribers that have subscribed to my channels, and I give a shout out to those faithful ones that are constantly encouraging me and giving me constructive criticism and always there for each video. I appreciate you more than you know. You guys stay safe, take care of your loved ones and yourself. Bye-bye.